The ATOTO F7 digital car stereo receiver. New upgrade of the digital car stereo receiver can link your car and smartphones closely, then bring you a brand new driving experience. The ATOTO F7 series adopts the Linux system. It supports multimedia entertainment, vehicle phone interconnection, and the car's Bluetooth hands-free. The F7 offers the front and rear view camera connection, quick phone charging, and the SXM interface, which can endow you with an enjoyable driving journey. You can customize the wallpaper to show your favorite photos or pictures. Two types of display screens are available: 178-degree full viewing angle IQ LED screen, combined with the Max 1280x720 resolution. You can watch the navigation clearly even in strong daylight. 7-inch, 8-inch, and 10.1-inch display screens are for your choice. With 5 different installation styles, F7 can meet various installation requirements of users, with the built-in Android Auto CarPlay. Just connect your phone via a cable, and you will see a familiar interface displayed clearly on the F7 screen. You can speak to F7 to take calls, check voicemails and text messages, or bring up maps, and of course, listen to your favorite songs.
Hi Siri, call David. Hi Siri, play Taylor Swift songs. Hey Google, take me to Los Angeles International Airport. Hey Google, play NPR1.
Here sits a video of then police officer Derek Chauvin kneeling on Floyd's.
Besides, you can also activate Siri or Google Assistant by touching the home key on the panel. Moreover, you can set a specified key of the factory steering wheel control as the voice command key. If your car does not have the steering wheel audio control, you can also use the voice key on the ATOTO wireless steering wheel remote, AC4 for F5 to activate the voice command on the F7. In addition, F7 also supports the phone mirroring. With Autolink option, you can also cast what's on the phone screen to F7 display. Based on the built-in PMS firmware protocol, the ATOTO F7 can provide quick phone charging while your phone has a wired connection with it. The charging speed depends on your phone charging protocol, the USB cable material length. The F7 support up to 512 grams microSD and to 2 terabytes SSD, thus you can play high-quality audio and 1080p video on F7 freely. What more, with the RCA video out ports, F7 can connect up to 2 headrest monitors, and then the rear passengers can enjoy various videos during the journey. The ATOTO F7 supports Bluetooth hands-free and music playback. Except for the FM and AM radio tuner, selected F7 models also offer the Sirius XM interface in North American areas. Sirius XM can bring you the widest variety in music, live sports, world-class news and non-stop laughs via satellite radio services. The F7 has 7 preset EQ modes, and 10 segments adjustable frequency. Users can adjust the volume of different audio channels, and regulate the subwoofer balance. The ATOTO F7 supports the front and rear view camera inputs, the AUX audio and video inputs, and the F7 can show HD 720p rear view video quality. The ATOTO F7 supports the live rear view (LRV) function, allowing users to watch the live rear view video even if the vehicle is moving ahead, which helps the driver removing some blind spots then expanding the field of view. You can set a specified key on the steering wheel control as the quick access key to run it. In addition, with the ATOTO AC3601 rear view parking system, you can have a surround virtual top view by a single camera on the F7. Besides, you can manually adjust the parking guideline according to the car. You can install one more camera to expand the front or side viewing angle too. Just run the built-in FCam app. You can watch the image sent from that camera. ATOTO will offer continuous systems firmware updates. Some functions are only available on selected F7 head unit models. Available functions depend on selected models. ATOTO F7, your ultimate driving companion.